Hi guys, so it's Saturday now and obviously the weekly vlog ended on Friday, but I deleted the intro for it, so I'm just making like a makeshift one here so it doesn't just jump in and then you all get confused about what's going on. I've weekly vlogged this week and I've been really enjoying it so far, so if you guys do enjoy this then please leave in the comments below if you do, and I will do more because I've been really enjoying like vlogging, which is weird for me because I never used to. I was going to do like a weekly vlogging and then a week of like a normal video, so next week is going to be a clothing haul, which I will still upload, but I might also vlog as well just because there's some fun things happening next week and at the weekend as well, so I might even vlog the weekend as well next weekend. But yeah, so let's get into the vlog. Guys, eventful day. Last time I vlogged it was before 1 o'clock, now it's nearly 8 o'clock. The power in my block went out for since 1:45, but I wasn't here because I was in a seminar 1 to 2, another seminar 2 till 3, and then a lecture 3 till 5, and when I came back the power was still off, so we ordered in, and then just as we brought the takeaway up the power came back on. And then an eventful situation happened. I'm actually vegetarian and we had 2 pizzas, one was for my flatmate and one was for me, and he ordered pepperoni and I thought it was mine and the pepperoni was underneath the cheese. I couldn't see it, so I bit into it and then realised I was eating pepperoni and then like spat it out in the bin, so it's been an eventful day. I said I was having a meeting with the person who I'm taking over from a social sec, and it was a good meeting. We just went for coffee in Cafe Nero and I had a brownie. So I left my camera here all day, so that's why I've not filmed at all, just because I was in lectures for like how many hours? 4 hours? Yeah. Well, I was in 2 seminars and then a 2-hour lecture. So sorry there's not been much today. I know I said in my last weekly vlog that I would vlog more. So I'm going food shopping and then Wednesday I'm going to York. But yeah, I rented out a camera today just because I have a task to do, and it's like a big camera. Like, I've not even opened the box yet, but we were using them in the seminar the other day, and it's the Canon 6D, and I'm pretty sure if you, oh my god, it's massive, what the hell, ah, look how big that is. If you buy those new, they're like £1,000, and I feel a lot of like responsibility having this. Like, how big is that lens? What the hell? I swear it wasn't that big when we were using it the other day. Oh, I think it's because it's zoomed in at the moment. Oh yeah, it is. It's going smaller, I think. In fact, is it? I don't even know. It's just, I feel a lot of responsibility having this and I need to take some photos with it. Oh my god, it's so big. We've been learning how to use like the camera last week, like how to use the DSLR and what all the different things mean. So it's quite interesting. But I learnt the settings, like we were using the 500D and the 6D, but our group got given the 60 and I learnt all the settings for the 60, so I've decided to use this for the little task that we have to do just because I know how to change the settings, whereas for the 5D I didn't. 500D or 5D, I don't know. I've planned my shopping out for tomorrow. I've got a shopping list. Hi guys, so it's Tuesday now. My flatmate is going to the bank because she's setting up her student bank account, and then I'm going to meet her in Morrison's when she's finished, and we're going to go to Home Bargain. I think we're going to get some like kind of Halloween decorations today for the flat, which will be interesting because we have like developed a new love, me and Hattie have developed a new love for going to Home Bargains because it's just so cheap and everything in there. Like, it's not nice just like per se, but like you can get really like good snacks there, and like good, you can even get alcohol there. Like I showed you my room tour, like up there I have some pineapple Malibu and some apple sours, and I got those from Home Bargains, and the Malibu was $6.99 and I think the apple sours was like under £5 or under £4. It was like ridiculously cheap. When I get back from shopping I need to read some of my reading for Friday. It's due in on Friday, and then I also have a task which is due in on Friday, which is to use that massive camera that I showed you yesterday, this Canon 6D, to do some like work with the manual settings on that. I'm just excited to see my friends in York tomorrow. Like, seeing people like from back home is what's like keeping me through, like keeping me going. Like last week my friends came to see me, the week before my mum came, and then the week before that my dad came, so every week I've had someone coming to see me, and I like to organise it that way, so that's something I can look forward to in the week. Obviously not everyone can come every week, like some weeks there's not going to be someone here, but it's just nice to see people because I do miss them. And I've been here a month tomorrow, it's the 16th, and I moved in on September the 17th, so tomorrow I've been here a month, which is a bit weird to think about, but yeah, I've settled in pretty well, and all the flatmates are like chill and stuff. It's now 1:10. My flatmate is still in the bank, apparently she's really busy and she's not had time to go in yet, so I thought I'd be shopping by now, but while I wait, I'm going to try and do the photography exercise with this massive camera. I still can't believe that I'm responsible for this, like it's so heavy and just it's scary. So yeah, let's try doing that. I think I'm going to take a photo of this E here and turn the lights on, just because we have to pick an object. And then that's one piece of homework done for the week, and then all I have left to do is reading. So yeah, let's start this. Hi guys, so I haven't actually vlogged like talking to the camera since I got back from shopping. So you guys saw that we went to Morrison's and Home Bargains, and in Home Bargains I filmed some of the Halloween decorations, but we didn't end up buying any. So I'm just currently gonna go on YouTube. I've started some of the reading for next week and wrote a few notes on it. I was so tired, so in between coming back from shopping and having my tea, I had a nap. You guys saw what I had for tea. I had pesto pasta with avocado in it, and it was really nice. And then I had like 2 cookies. So the time is 25 to 8. I'm probably going to finish the vlog here just because I have no other plans to just to do anything today. Probably just like read if I can really be bothered, or do some YouTube watching or Netflix watching, because my screen narrative lecturer told us that the more we watch, the more TV we watch, the more we're going to get out of that module. So, and she said we should watch Netflix. I mean, when the homework's that, you really can't complain. And then also, I didn't know if I said to you guys, but I rang the doctors up and I actually have an appointment. Well, I don't have an appointment, but she was saying I need to get to the doctors tomorrow for between 8:15 and 8:30 at the latest. So that's fun. I'm going to have to get up really early, so I'm going to be going to bed quite early tonight. So like I said, the vlog for Tuesday is probably going to end here. I have no other plans, but tomorrow is going to be fun because I'm going to York. So yeah, excited, and see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, today is Wednesday. The time is 8 AM. As you guys saw yesterday, I have a doctor's appointment at 15:15. She said to get there latest at 50:30. So I'm just going to go. I'm not going to bother putting makeup on because, as you know, I'm going to York later, so I don't want it to like all come off before I go. I might just put a bit on like on my eyebrows just because they're not looking great without being filled in. But yeah, so going to the doctors, going to York. It's going to be a good day. So it's now 11:25. I had a nap. I went to the doctors. Basically what it is everyone, like, she told me to go on the phone at like 8:15 to 8:30 to get a nurse appointment because I just need a repeat prescription or something, and at home I could go and get it, but here, because obviously I've registered with a new doctor, I need an appointment first. So what happens is everyone who wants the same day appointment goes, stands in a line, has to write their name on a sheet and why they want an appointment, stand in a line and then go to the front when, you know, when there's like in the line, and then they'll tell you when they can fit you in, and they didn't have any nurse appointments left. Apparently that's what I needed, so I have to go back tomorrow. So I basically got up on my day off for nothing. But that aside, I'm going to do my makeup now. My train's in an hour. I'm going to set off at about 5 because I think it's a 20-minute walk to the train station, 15-20-minute walk from where I live. And yeah, so just going to do my makeup. And also I need to change because this was just an outfit I threw on to go to the doctors. So I'm going to do my makeup now.
You're in the vlog, Megan. What? The return of the Megan.
Hi guys, so I'm back from York now. The time is 10:15 and I've been back since about 7, but since I got back all I've been doing is like sat in the kitchen on my laptop, just messing about really. Basically the social for Monday, I just told you I'm social tech, is under the sea themed. So I bought a few things which I'm going to show you guys now. I actually bought some off Depop. Also I'm wearing my Fruity Friday top which is now my new pyjamas, so just ignore that. We had a really nice time in York and I didn't vlog like talking, but I took a few clips and you guys will have seen those if like just before this one. We went to like this really cool place which made ice cream, and I had a vegan ice cream. It was chocolate and peanut butter and it's like a liquid nitrogen place, so they put the liquid nitrogen in the mixer and it like all steams up in front of you like liquid nitrogen does, and I tried to get it on camera but it didn't look as cool as it did in real life. And the batch of ice cream she made for me, it was so big and it's made me feel sick all night. I've not needed any tea because I was just so full from the ice cream. But for the media social, I have ordered this top from Depop. So it's like a holographic bandeau, and then the girl also sells glitter as well, so I added that to my order. So it's like cosmetic grade glitter, so I can put some on my face with like a fishnet tie and make it look like mermaidy. So I'm excited to like get ready for that, and I was going to get some like face gems as well, but they're so expensive. And then I've planned all my budgeting out for next week because I'm now going to see my friend Chloe next Saturday, as it is her birthday on Sunday, and we're going to be going out and it's probably going to be like a Halloween themed event. So I've just seen that Saffron Barker has uploaded some kind of video with Boots on how to do vampire makeup, which looks good because I literally have no money to buy a Halloween outfit. So I have some cat ears, so I'm thinking of doing a cat one night, which I know is like the most basic like thing ever, but you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. I don't have any vampire, like, no, vampires don't wear ears, do they? That's devils, never mind, me just being stupid. So I have 3 things to dress up for. I'm going out Friday the 26th to a Halloween event. I'm going to do the cat for that, I think, and then when I go to Chloe's next Saturday I'm going to do the vampire look with just a black dress on, and then on Wednesday, the actual day of Halloween, I've got something else to go to, and I think I'm going to try and do like a devil for that and maybe just get a little pair of devil ears. That's been today. It's just been in York and having fun with my friends. It's so nice to see them. I'd not seen one of them in over a month and I missed her so much. Obviously, for all the international students here at like Leeds, they're not going to see their friends for like forever, but seeing them, like not seeing one of them in over a month is like, it was so nice to see her again, and I'm really grateful that I'm not too far away from all of my friends, whereas the people who, because like there's one girl who's like, there's people coming from all over the world. There's someone from Egypt, there's someone from Dubai, and then there's people from Spain, and they just come from everywhere. There's one girl I think in my course from Australia, which is absolutely like mind-blowing to think about how far away she is from her family when I'm so close to mine, to be honest, in the grand scheme of things. But yeah, I'm going to end tonight's vlog. Well, I'm going to end today's portion of the vlog here. Hi guys, so the time is now 4:25 and I'm only just starting the vlog because I've been in lectures since 11 till 1, then I came back for an hour for my lunch, and then I was in another like workshop from 2 till 3, and then I've just been to the Students' Union. I went to like the little wellbeing centre just to have a chat with someone about like the way I'm feeling at the moment at uni, just because I'm still like trying to settle in. Just a big step to move, and sorry, the lights gone. The sun's shining through my window like really bright, so I've had to close my curtain and I'm really hot. Yeah, she just gave me some like advice on how to like cope with moving, like settling in and stuff, just because I feel like although I am settled into my flat, there's just like I miss home and stuff, and I think that's normal for any kind of uni student really, but today it just like got me down a bit, so I thought I'd go talk to someone instead of like sitting in my room being upset, because there's no point in doing that. And then on my way back I went to the Students' Union shop, and they sell these like yogurt covered like things. So the other week I got yogurt covered honeycomb, which is the best, but I thought I'd be a bit healthy today and get yogurt covered banana, and it's like dried banana chips. So now I'm just going to do my reading, which is due for tomorrow, snack on these, and then just like make myself feel a bit better because I was feeling a bit down. So yeah, there's probably not going to be much more for today's vlog, but I am making vegetable tofu stir fry later, so I might document that, see if I manage to poison myself. So I've made my stir fry, look at it in all its glory. I also managed to get sauce down my top, so that's always fun. I'm having a Diet Coke with it, and it's really nice, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm fine. I've been loving doing tofu recently. It's so nice when it's fried. I'm just gonna eat this now. Finished my tea and done the washing up, and now I've just made, like, I'm using my front camera, some Angel Delight, which looks not great right now, but it's currently thickening. Hi guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here today. It's now 20 past 8 and I'm just gonna lay in my bed and watch some YouTube. Literally, I watch YouTube all the time. I've realised how much I say in these vlogs. So tomorrow's Friday, which is like the start of the celebration. Well, not the celebrations, but we're going out for Fruity. Monday I'm going out as a mermaid, as you guys know. And then Friday I'm going out for a Halloween event, and then Saturday I get to go and see Chloe. So I'm really excited to go and see my friend for her birthday. And it's just going to be so fun. I'm so excited for the next week. So yeah, that was it for today. And me and Hattie have just been sat in the kitchen like talking, because obviously I said earlier to you guys that I went to like the wellbeing thing. I was just talking to her a little bit about it. It's nice to have someone to open up to, because I'm really close to my parents, so I'd usually open up to them, but like obviously my parents aren't here, and obviously I live with a bunch of strangers that I was thrown into a flat with. Well, not thrown into a flat, but obviously it's the same, everyone's in the same boat, and it's a bit scary sometimes. But yeah, it was nice to talk to her a little bit and have someone to like open up to, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for Friday. I'm so excited. It is a 9 till 4 day in uni, so there might not be too much vlog footage apart from when I'm going out. I'll show you my outfit, of course. Hi guys, so it's Friday now. I'm all ready and it's 20 past 8 and I've already been to the doctor's to make myself an appointment and been to get some more cereal because I ran out. I have the longest day in uni today. I'm in from 9 till 4 and then my doctor's appointment is at 5, so it's going to be a long one, and then we're going out tonight, so I'm going to have a nap somewhere in between because I woke up at 6:30. So we'll be setting off at 8:45 to go to uni, so I've got about just under half an hour to have some breakfast. I've also made myself a packed lunch because on Fridays we're in all day, and on Fridays we have the screenwriting, screen narrative module, so we get to watch a film every Friday. Obviously we have to watch it because we have to analyse it after, but it's quite good to have like a chill out kind of day on a Friday, even though it's the longest day in uni. So yeah, I'll probably see you later when something interesting is happening. Hi guys, so the time is now 20 past 7, been out all day. I had my doctor's appointment at 5 and then I went to pick my prescription up, got back, made tea, cleaned all the kitchen. My package came for my mermaid outfit. This is the top. It's literally like bright silver, and then it came with some purple glitter as well, which is this cosmetic grade one here. It's like a lilac colour, so I'm going to put that on when we go out. Not going to do much now. We're not starting pre till 9:30 and it's 20 past 7, so I don't really need to do much. Relax a bit just because I've just cleaned all the kitchen. My back's kind of hurting a bit, so I think I'm just going to lay down and watch some YouTube. I have so much work to do. We got even more work given today and there's just a list piling up, but I'm really not into it tonight because I've been in 9 till 4. I just need to chill out. I'll do some tomorrow, but tonight I'm having a day off. So yeah, I'm just going to watch some YouTube now. So I'm ready to go out now. I'm wearing this little top from Primark and it's £4, and then this skirt was from New Look from Amazon. It was like a New Look item that was on Amazon, but you can get red skirts most places nowadays, and I'm just going to wear my Vans with it just because I can't be bothered wearing any kind of heels, and no one really wears heels to go out anyway. I've also got my makeup, fake eyelashes on. I'm ready quite early, like we're not starting pre till like 9:30, it's only 8:30, but oh well, I already had my hair curled from this morning and I thought it looked alright, so I've just left it like that. So yeah, this is probably the end of the vlog unless I vlog when people come round. So yeah, maybe if it's the end, bye, but if not, then maybe later.